Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we're exploring the Sony Xperia 1.8 Compact 2026 Concept Edition. Keep in mind, this is a fan-made concept, not an official Sony device, but it shows what a powerful, small-form flagship could look like in the near future. The design of this imagined device stays true to Sony's iconic style, sleek, boxy, and minimalistic. Unlike today's oversized smartphones, this compact form fits perfectly in one hand while still carrying the feel of a premium flagship. It's a device imagined for users who want ultimate performance in a smaller, pocket-friendly size. On the front, the Xperia 1.8 Compact concept features a vibrant 4K HDR display. The screen is crystal clear, with sharp colors and cinematic quality. Even though the phone is compact, it delivers an immersive viewing experience for videos, gaming, and everyday use. The symmetrical bezels give it a professional, elegant look, reflecting Sony's design philosophy. Performance is at the heart of this concept. Equipped with a next-generation chipset, it handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps with ease. Combined with optimized software and smart battery management, it ensures smooth performance throughout the day. The camera system, inspired by Sony's Alpha technology, is imagined to be outstanding. With fast autofocus, accurate color reproduction, excellent low-light performance, and stable video recording, this concept brings professional-grade photography into a small form factor.